Guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 5 January 2023. Today's my bio topic is class and object in Java. So, class is the blueprint of the template of from the which object are created. Object is the this is called as class, or object is the instance of a class or runtime entity. So why we write a class? Java is an object oriented programming language. So create a object. First we need to define properties which that object we are rarely used to. The float class generally refers string in a Java for storing the value of the variables. So next is the properties of the behavior which we can't import the object are declared in a class. Hence class is called as the blueprint of objects. Built up class in Java. So built up class in Java, there are the classes come to the bundle within predefined package in Java. A few major built in a class are Java language string, Java lang exception, object, class, date, hashname, array list, or threads. How to create the class? How to create the class? The standard. The coding standard for the class name usually class the nouns. The class name are the starts with the uppercase letter, or it is using multiple words. Then each the first letter of the word should be the start and uppercase. So next is the for example of the class hello. Java class is generally exist of various element. Field the method construct block nested classes. So next is the object. Object is a real world entity which one property state behavior. Object contain two things. State represent attributes and properties of the object. Behavior defined by the method of the object. For example, mobile and object which has the state properties such as color, model number, mobile number, RAM, etc. So next is the behavior such as the calling, messaging, or etc. is the object. Object is the runtime entity, or object is the runtime instance of a class. So this is the main two types in the Java programming language. Or object are the real world entity which has its own property, state, behavior, mobile, fan, table, etc. In this objects is the world time entity, or it is using multiple uses in this the objects or class. So thank you.